Most of Novartis's manufacturing facilities recover, recycle and reuse solvents, and the precious metal catalysts known to have a high greenhouse gas impact. In the case of 2 pilot compounds, Novartis was able to demonstrate a recovery rate of up to 85% of 2 precious metals, with potential savings of 20,000 tons of CO2 by 2030. Takeda has been using green chemistry to create a more sustainable way to manufacture one of its molecules. The results: 78% less waste, reduction of 93% in the organic solvents used, and 46% less water. Janssen has introduced a plant-on-a-truck initiative to recycle waste chemicals. Now they save around 500 tons of CO2 emissions and recycle around 100 tons of chemicals annually. In the US, Pfizer has its own green chemistry program. The goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 60% and decrease the amount of material they need to create products by 68%. Find out what are digital solutions from Siemens for the pharmaceutical industry at siemens.com/pharma. This video is part of an awareness campaign for Siemens and was created by IIoT World based on the information published by Acima Inspire.